Okay, so we have to construct a rectangle of PQRS where angle SPR is given as 60 degree. So what we understand from the diagram is, from the rough diagram is, we have this 60 degree, we can make this as 30 degree, and this is 4 centimeter, this has to be 4 centimeter. So we'll start with a very basic idea. So we'll take the scale, okay, and let's make 4 centimeter first. Centimeter. Okay, now we have to make it 30 degree. Okay, and let's take out the scale. 30 degree. For 30 degree, we make it 60 degree, and then we'll take the half of the angle. And remember, we are making 30 degree, we have to make this as 90 degree as well. So I'm making one more arc over this side. Okay. Now let's make first the 60. For 60, we'll make this one here. Okay. And using the 60 idea, we'll make a 60 over here also, because we have to make a 90 degree. Remember, we are making a rectangle, so all angles are 90 degree. And since we are making 90 degree on the Q side, I'm making the 120 degree mark as well. Okay, so let's start with this one. So first we'll make 30 degree part. Let's do this one. Okay, I can extend this now. Now, let's wait and take a scale and connect this to like this, and you can extend it. Okay, now let's make the 90 degree angle. I'm extending this. Let's lock it, make an arc. Easy, keep it as it is. Here. You can also verify whether you have made your angle 90 degree by using a protractor, just for your own confirmation. So you make a 90 degree like this, and this angle, this point is your R. So remember, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Now from here we have to make, so using, now we understand that this angle is 90 degree. I hope you understand. Let's go for this case, and since we have made the same arc, I will just copy the 90 degree from here. I hope you're getting. So that's why I made the same arc on both the sides. So if you make two different arc of different radius, you will not be able to do this one. So this is just copy pasting. So I measured the 90 degree. This is how we measure the angle. Just shift it from here to here. Keep it locked and make it on. So this is 90 degree. Okay, now take the scale and pencil and connect this one. Like I said, you can use a protractor to check whether you have made the 90 degree properly or no. Then done. Now what we are done with this 90 degree, this 90 degree, this part is 60 degree, and all you have to do, you have to join this part. Now here, very smartly we will do this. Now we know that PQ and SR are 4 centimeters. So I'll just use the compass exactly like this. lock it and take it to the R part and just make it small. Just make it small. Okay, no, sorry. Very sorry, not that one. Now we know that it's a rectangle, correct? So this length, that is the RQ, will be equal to SP. So we will keep it like, we will lock it like this, and then we will make an R. Now why we cannot make an SR? Because when you make the SR R, it goes, it touches all the points of this line. That's why we take the SR as the common length. Now you can connect it easily. So you take a pencil and a scale and then connect it like this. Now ultimately we have to label it. So whenever you get something like this extra, so you make it as an arrow. This looks beautiful. Okay, so this is your 60 degree. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. Of course, you have P, Q, R, and S, and that's your